Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Miside on your PC or laptop. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you want to open any browser in your system and search in for Steam. Then you will be able to see this link, Welcome to Steam. So you're just going to click on this link to open it, and it's going to show you this Steam page. In here, you're going to type into the search bar for the name of your game, which is Miside, and then you're just going to click on your game right over here. And then you will be redirected to the game page in here. You just need to scroll down until you find this option, Add to Cart. So you're just going to click on this option and then click on View My Cart. And you will be redirected to the payment page where you can click on Continue to Payment. If you do not have an account yet, it's going to ask you to log in your account information. But you will also get an option to create a new account anyways. You can just select here your payment method, enter all of your payment information, scroll down, and then click on Continue. And after that, you will be able to download and play this game. And that's it, you are done.